Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to update your Google Chrome extension. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right there. Make sure you click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to navigate to extension. Go ahead and click on manage extension. And you'll be taken to your extension environment right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to update your extension. For instance, I want to update this blog website and stay focused. I want to update this particular extension. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on detail. So once you click on detail, it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to developer mode right here. Turn on developer mode. Once you turn on developer mode, you have options to update your extension in your Chrome. Go ahead and click on update. So then you can see updating from the bottom right here on your Chrome. It's that simple. So what you need to do is to allow the update to run completely. Once it runs completely, then your extension will be up to date in your Chrome. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how best to use your Chrome browser, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.